If you've got a VA loan and interest rates have dropped, or you just want to lower your payment, then the VA Streamline Refinance, also known as the IRRRL, could be your secret weapon. It's fast, easy, and doesn't require an appraisal or income verification in most cases. So let's break down what the IRRRL is. Welcome to video 12, where we will discuss the IRRRL, or Streamline Refinance of a VA Home Loan. If this is your first video in our series, VA Home Loan 101, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button so that you can have quick access to all the other videos in this awesome series. Now, what is the IRRRL? The IRRRL stands for Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan. So calling it an IRRRL is a lot easier. So it's also called a VA Streamline Refinance because it's designed to make refinancing your VA loan quicker and easier. No mountains of paperwork, no full re-underwriting, no drama. It's kind of odd for the military, right? But hey, let's work with it. This program is only available to veterans and service members who already have a VA loan. It helps you refinance into a lower interest rate or switching from an adjustable rate mortgage, which is also known as an ARM, to a fixed rate mortgage. Right? So here's why veterans love the IRRRL. So no appraisal requirements in most cases. There's no income verifications. There's no out-of-pocket cost. You can roll all the closing costs into the loan. It's faster closings, often 2 or 3 weeks versus 3 or 4 weeks. You skip 1 to 2 months worth of mortgage payments in the process. You lower your monthly payments or get more stable terms. Now, let's walk through how it actually works. Now, step 1, contact a VA approved lender who offers the IRRRL. Not everyone does. Step 2, they'll verify that you have an existing VA loan. Step 3, you complete the simple application. No income docs needed, super simple. Step 4, if you're approved, the new loan pays off your old one and your new lower rate or fixed terms kick in. Now, there are a few things to be aware of, right? Nothing is always perfect, especially when it comes with the government, but you must be refinancing a current VA loan. You cannot take cash out with an IRRRL. This isn't a cash out loan, okay? You must show a net tangible benefit like a lower monthly payment or moving to a safer fixed rate. You must have used the property as your primary residence at some point, but you don't have to be living in there now, which is a cool feature. Now let's go over some myths. Myth 1, it takes just as long as regular refinancing. The reality is IRRRLs usually close in 2 to 3 weeks, not 30 to 45 days. Myth 2, you need a new appraisal. The reality is most IRRRLs skip the appraisal process entirely. Myth 3, you'll pay out of pocket. Well, the reality is costs can be rolled into the loan or you can pay them out of pocket, but zero upfront required in most cases. Now, myth number 4, you must live in the home. The reality is as long as you used it as your primary residence in the past, there's no specific thing, then you're eligible, even if it's a rental property now. Now, the IRRRL comes with a reduced VA funding fee of just 0.5% of the loan amount. But if you're exempt due to disability, you won't have to pay that at all. And again, most of your closing costs, including the funding fee, can be rolled into the loan. So you really don't need any cash on hand to do this. The IRRRL is best used when interest rates drop at least 0.5% below your current rate. Now, if you're in an adjustable rate mortgage and want to lock in a fixed rate, you can do that. You want a lower monthly payment or a faster payoff. And even if you've refinanced recently, you may still qualify as long as you meet the 210-day rule and have made 6 consecutive payments. So 210 days between the refinances. Now, if you've got a VA loan and rates have dropped, the VA Streamline IRRRL could save you serious money. I've helped veterans shave hundreds off of their mortgages each month by using this exact same tool. Now, what to know if you qualify? If you want to know if you qualify, shoot me a message or drop a comment. I'll help you run the numbers and make sure that it's the right move. We'll look at the cost versus what you save and see if there's a net win for you. Now, if you need help starting your VA Streamline Refinance, reach out and let's talk. Post your questions in the comments. I'm sure there are others that are having the same kind of questions. So as always, I appreciate you staying tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.